Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Yep. Now we have a question number 13 here. So let's do this. Change the context first. I just copy it. Sorry, this is my bad. Context has been changed. Create a pod. We have to create a multi-container pod. C1 with this, env, C2 with this, some command we need to execute, and C3. Okay, and we need to mount a volume in every container. Okay, let's do that. K run pod name hyphen image. Let's use the first one. Client hyphen o YAML q13.yaml q13.yaml. Okay, here name of the first container would be the C1. Okay, and they just mentioned to do the volume mount. Name we can pick it as any as per our choice. There is no such restriction, so we can make any name as a mount path as well, because there is no such thing mentioned. In the first part we have to create a env in the first questions, and what would be the env name? My node name. So my node name, and the value should be coming from the pod spec. Okay, node name in pod spec. Okay, exports pos container through environment variable. This is the one which we want. That control C, control V. Okay, all done. Now we have to do this for 3 pods. Okay, let's do that. Sorry, something here would be image name volume mount. Okay, the image container name would be the C2, and the container image would be busybox. And there is a command which we need to execute. Okay, this is the mount path. We need to change it here. What we have mentioned is the mount path test. Okay, got it. Now we have to do this, the last one, the last path. Okay, what's the command here? We're gonna do the tail, and the container name would be the C3. Your volume path would be here, the test. Okay, it's gonna fail here, so we need to just the same image, we have to use it. Now we have to create a volume with the help of, okay, it just mentioned that the volume shouldn't be persist, which we're gonna share with other pods. That means it would be empty directory test empty dir k create -f q13.yaml line 19 filled path. Okay, correct. Some issues with the indentations. Let's correct it, otherwise it would be an issue for us. Okay, env2 image volume mounts viq3 env, my bad, it's coming under env. It should be like this. Sorry, it's my bad. It's better we can, because this is the thing which I'm gonna show, that these type of mistakes can happen in the exams. Okay, so no need to worry about it, that okay, what would happen if I miss this or something. It could happen with anyone. Line 21, there are mapping values are not allowed in this context. Line 21, let's see what that is, it says. Okay, here so these are the mistakes which could happen with anyone. Okay, let's do, finally our pods has been created with multi-container pods. Let's see, multi-container pod is running. Logs, we'll see -c c3 logs are coming correct.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.